Rational Equations Lesson 2 Applications. We can use rational equations to solve problems. We frequently use rational equations on rate questions because rates, like distance over time, involves a fraction or a rational expression. So here's an example. It says two friends share a paper route. Sheena can deliver the papers in 40 minutes. Jeff can cover the same route in 50 minutes. How long to the nearest minute does the paper route take if they work together? So it's sometimes useful to set up a bit of a chart. We're going to look at Sheena and Jeff, and then what happens if they do them together. Going across this way, we want to look at the time that it takes them. We want to look at the fraction that they can do in 1 minute. And then what that fraction is in t minutes. Now, our question tells us that Sheena can deliver the papers in 40 minutes. So her time is 40 minutes. How much of that can she do in 1 minute, or what fractions? Well, the fraction would be 1 over 40 because she can do 1/40th of the job each minute. What fraction of the work would she do in t minutes? Well, if she does 1/40th in 1 minute, then 1/40th times t would give us the fraction that she does in t minutes. I can rewrite this as t over 40. Now if we look at Jeff, Jeff can do the whole job in 50 minutes. That means that he can do 1/50th of the job in 1 minute, or t over 50 in t minutes. Now what happens together? Together, they can do the total time. The fraction would be 1 over t of the total time, and the fraction in t minutes would be the whole job, or t over t. So we can now use this chart to help us set up our equation. We know that the portion of the job that Sheena does in t minutes is t over 40. I also want to look at the fraction of the job that Jeff does, which is t over 50. Together, they have to do the whole job, or they have to add up to 1. All right, now we have a rational equation that we need to solve. The common denominator is 40 times 50, or 200. So let's multiply each term by 200. (200) divided by 40 is 5, so we end up with 5t, plus 200 divided by 50 is 4, so plus 4t, and 200 times 1 is 200. Collecting like terms, we end up with 9t equals 200, or t is equal to 200 over 9, which is approximately equal to 22.2 minutes. This is the time that it would take Sheena and Jeff to deliver the papers if they work together.